Anytime I do any sort of exercise, I try and double up on the type of resistance training that I have. So if you're gonna do this, you might as well do that with cardio. What's up everybody, so this is my new Wenoker bike. Now what sets this one apart is that it is foldable. So today we're going to do the assembly of this bike and I'm going to show you what type of exercises you can do with this particular one and why it's great for people who are fit or people who are elderly. Stay tuned for the whole video. So we got ourselves a new piece of exercise equipment. This is the Wenoker exercise bike. Now I previously did get a spin bike.
Are we good?
I gave that one to my mom and my father, so they've been using it quite a lot, but I wanted to get another one. But then I realized that one doesn't fold up, and I wanted one that folds up, and I wanted one that does more of an exercise as well, so I found this one, and this one comes recommended. So this is the exploded view. Just gonna quickly go through the manual so you guys get an idea of what's here in case you ever lose your parts, so you can just pause where you need to. This is your parts list. So there's 35 pieces here. And then this is the assembly instructions. All right, so here's all the pieces. Let's get started. All right, first take your two front feet. So the one with the longer one is in the front, the shorter one's on the back. Take your main assembly and undo this part. Once you undo this part, this will be able to get spread out because the feet are down here. So we're gonna spread this out. There we go. Like so. Now those are gonna go and rest on here. So you gotta remove these screws here. Once these are out, take this. Place this on top of that, like this, and then take this and put the bolt from underneath, put the washers on, and then tighten this up. And do the same thing to the front. There we go. All right, so once you have this, use the provided key to tighten the bolts. Now pick up your seat and backrest, and we're gonna put this right in here. Put the locking pin in, put the backrest on, and place the screws back on. Place the back seat on the 3 holes, and then you use the nut and the washer to attach it. Your pedals have the screw, so you want to remove the screw right here, and then you're going to take this left, and then just screw this in. You can use the provided key to do it, and then apply the screw. If you want, you can strap your feet in here. I don't technically like doing that, but you can. And finally, place the cable through here, and then tighten the screws up here. Connect these wires, and you're done. Now these are pulse detectors, so when you hold your palms on here just like at the gym, you're going to check your pulse. You can put your cell phone or tablet right in here. This is like a non-slip surface. You get your reset mode, you get your pulse, scan, time, distance, speed, calories, odometer, pulse. All right guys, so this is the Wenoker 3-in-1, maybe a 4-in-1 bike, and I'm going to show you why I love this particular bike over the one that I gave to my parents about 2 months ago. You can set your different times. If you want to set out on a certain pace, certain distance, you can do that as well. You have 1 to 16 resistance levels. Caster wheels on the front, so you can very easily move this around from point to point. The bike seat is pretty comfortable. There's a lot of padding in here. Handles, also good. This is kind of leaning forward and backwards. It's just there. So all in all, this is actually a really nice piece of equipment. But the best part is that it does fold up. It's got different ways of riding it. You got the relaxed mode for more of a senior elderly person or somebody who's not fit. And then you have the other option when you're a little higher up, so you can do your spin classes. So the first thing that you're gonna notice is that it's got these pull bars on here. So as you're exercising, you can do your biceps, you can do your lats, your back, your spinners, upright rows, whether it's 1, 2. Now there is no way to adjust the intensity of these bands, but when you're padding for 35 minutes and you're doing these exercises, you definitely start feeling it. I mean, even now as I'm talking to you guys, I'm just doing the demo, you can see how tired I'm getting. Anytime I do any sort of exercise, I try and double up on the type of resistance training that I have because again, we don't have a lot of time, so if you're gonna do this, you might as well do that with cardio. The seat is adjustable. You loosen this up, then you can go bring this up and down. These handles are nice and comfortable. The reason these are here because there's 2 ways of riding this. So in this particular position, you can grab the handlebars right here and you can do a more of a relaxed pace. If you have a book, you can read the book and you're basically in some exercise. Now, the second position is to lean forward this way or more like this way when you're doing a speed bike. And this way, your back is arched all the way to the back and you're working more of the front hamstrings and right on the inner side here. Now, if you want to adjust the bike, there's different levels of adjustments. All you do, pull on this knob right over here and then there's holes of adjustments. So we pull it back, lift the back leg, and then we can go all the way up and all the way down. And to fold it, we simply do this. So it is pretty compact, and there are wheels right here. So all we need to do is simply go down and then just pull this however we want, and it just comes with us. If you want to do the speed bike where you're usually like standing up and you're going really hardcore, all you do is you pull this, and you can see that the bike is a little higher up now. This one allows me to do a high intensity up climb speed class while I'm watching on my iPad or my TV. 16 is pretty decent for me if I'm doing about 30-40 minutes worth of exercise. The very last piece of exercise is right here on the bottom. This little strap is added around your leg with a Velcro, and now this becomes a leg exercise. So it is definitely not light. You can work on your inner hamstrings, you can work on your glutes. You could use this as a shoulder exerciser as well. And if you loosen the resistance, it will be lighter. If you increase the resistance, it will be a little tighter. While the other spin bike that I gave to my parents looked way cooler, I gotta admit it. This one is just a little much better for my lifestyle. Again, and I do like the fact that I have these. Anytime I do any elliptical work or I need to do any cardio, I try to incorporate my dumbbells in there as well to kill two birds with one stone. So at the end of the day, if you're looking for a very nice, compact exercise bike that's got resistance training that will cater to pretty much any health or fitness person, then this is something you may want to consider. Again, this is the Masuni. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one.